Hi, my name is Darryl Swann. I'm here in Studio B at RIT where I teach track programming. Well, you might say, what is a track? Well, you can think of a track as a piece of music put together using random sounds, sound effects, samples from records, all different types of places. And one of the main machines we use to capture the sounds is called the Akai Mpc. There's been many different versions of this MPC. They've been around since the early 80s. And there's a lot of copycat machines out there, but this is truly the premier machine on the market. It's one of the best machines for putting together beats, putting together tracks. It's a sampler, it's a drum machine, and a sequencer. So basically we collect the sounds from records, from CDs, from movies, and store them in here. Then once they're in here, we can manipulate the different sounds. Let me show you some of the sounds that we've put in here already, just for this presentation. Some kick drums, kick drum sounds, snare sounds, some loop sounds, horn sounds, guitar sounds, all different types of things. The cool thing about the MPC also is that you can use this device to play sounds like you're playing it on a keyboard. Let's take this horn sound and we can put it on something called 16 levels. So you can play it like that, or you can play this guitar loop. Really cool like that. Gives you the ability to fully manipulate any sound that you want. So let's go ahead and grab a sample from here, show you how to put sounds in here, then we'll put a beat together. Okay, so let's put this in sample mode. All right, let's turn our turntable on. And best way to do it is to kind of start at the beginnings of songs, of just random records. Records have the best sounds. Some of the best sounds, because there's billions of records out there, and pretty much you're not going to drop the needle where someone else is going to drop the needle. So your sounds are always going to be unique to yourself. Okay, so let's listen for some unique sounds. Not very unique. Let's move the needle across. It's a pretty cool sound. We're going to get our level. Make sure we get our... Okay. Great. So we've sampled the sound. Now that we have the sound, we're going to store it in here and we're going to chop it up, called truncating, which means cutting the front off and cutting the back off, the fat. So we have just this piece that we want. Okay? So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's turn this off. Let's go ahead and put this in trim mode. All right. Okay, so I can chop off as much of the front I want. I can scroll this up. Like that. Let's go to the back end now. And let's scroll it back. I can have as much as I want. Okay, so we have the piece in here. So let's go ahead and put the beat into all these different sounds into a beat. Show you how this machine works. Okay, so the first thing we need is we need to use a metronome. So we have a reference, a time reference. 2, 3, 4, and let's put a loop in to get a rhythm. 2, 3, 4. Okay, put a kick drum in there. Okay, I don't like that one. Let's go ahead and erase that kick drum. Okay, take it out. Let's try it again. Okay. Okay? Try and incorporate the sound that we just sampled into the loop. Okay? Okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and open this sample back up a little bit. Okay, let's go like this. Shift down, bam, bam. Let's go out. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead now and incorporate that sample that we just took from the record, okay? Let's see. Okay, that might work. Let's see. Level up. Let's try it on 16 levels. So that's how we use the drum machine every day in my track programming class. So come down and check it out.